Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur.
If possible, power down your iPhone 6 Plus. In this example, the LCD is damaged, so we do not have that option. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button. While applying firm, constant force, use the plastic triangle opening tool to work around the display assembly and separate it from the iPhone 6 Plus rear case. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. Now use the fine-tip curved tweezers to remove the metal bracket and disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and front camera, and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws, securing the earpiece speaker bracket to the display assembly. With the tweezers, remove the bracket and then the earpiece speaker. Carefully pry up the front camera and proximity sensor ribbon cable away from the display assembly. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws, securing the home button metal bracket in place. Disconnect and peel the home button ribbon cable away from the display assembly. Remove the home button assembly. Remove the 8 Phillips screws that secure the LCD shield plate to the iPhone 6s Plus display assembly. Peel up the adhesive securing the home button cable connector to the front panel. And remove the LCD shield plate.